Hey there! Today is the second day of the 12 days of baked goods, and on the 11th day before Christmas, we're going to be making some brownies. Traditionally, people make gingerbread cookies for the holidays. I also have done chocolate sugar cookies and my regular sugar cookies as an alternative if you don't like gingerbread. But now we're going to do some brownies and cut them out in the shape of gingerbread men and decorate them, as well as some trees. For this recipe, I'm going to be using a box mix, but I will also leave a recipe down below for how to make my brownies. I've made them on my channel before. Now let's get started on these brownies. I'm going to start with a quarter sheet pan and butter it up. I'm going to line it with parchment paper. This is what I'm going to use to bake my brownies in. This will make it easier to remove it from the pan when they're done baking. Get a clean bowl to mix all our ingredients in. So I'm going to follow the directions on the box, which is just to add an egg, some water, and oil. If you want to make some from scratch, I will also leave my recipe down below. If you're doing it from a box mix, just follow the instructions. And then here I'm just combining it all well together, scraping the bowl to make sure I get all the ingredients combined. And then I'm going to place that aside and grab my quarter sheet pan and then just pour it out on there. Spread it out evenly. Tap it a couple times and then we're going to bake this in the oven. Just follow the instructions on your box. And then I'm going to make a powdered sugar glaze. Let's just get some powdered sugar, a little bit of water, and combine that. You're going to want it pretty stiff since this will be the decorations on the brownies. Once your brownies have baked, we're going to remove them from the pan. I just like to use a spatula to remove it from the sides. Remove the parchment paper from this. And then we're going to start cutting out our designs. So I'm going to be doing a tree and the gingerbread man. This works best if your brownies have had plenty of time to cool down. So start cutting out the shapes. And then if you don't want that crust on your brownie, you can just flip it over and decorate it on the back. So here I'm just piping out the decorations on this. And then adding some M&Ms for buttons. And there's my gingerbread man. And then I'm going to be decorating a tree. So I'm going to add this white garland and I'm going to add ornaments. So I'm going to be using some sprinkles for that. And I also added a little silver star on top. If you want to go with just a very simple, quick idea, you can just add some powdered sugar to these. And here is the brownie person and that tree. I hope you're having a great holiday season. If you want to keep up to date with the 12 days of baked good recipes that I will be doing, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see on the channel next year. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.